Berikut kunci jawaban bahasa Inggris tingkat lanjut kelas 11 halaman 42 kurikulum merdeka. Pada soal bahasa Inggris tingkat lanjut kelas 11 halaman 42 kurikulum merdeka Meaningful Understanding, siswa diminta untuk menjawab pertanyaan berkaitan dengan gambar yang disajikan. Sebelum melihat kunci jawaban bahasa Inggris tingkat lanjut kelas 11 halaman 42 kurikulum merdeka, siswa diharapkan dapat mengerjakan soal secara mandiri. Kunci jawaban ini digunakan sebagai panduan dan pembanding oleh orang tua untuk mengoreksi pekerjaan anak.
Look at the picture. What information can you get from the picture? Have further discussions by responding to the following questions. 1. Are you familiar with fairy tales? Answer: Yes, I'm familiar with fairy tales. I often read or watch fairy tales both in English or Indonesian language. 2. Have you ever read a fairy tale? Answer: Yes, I've ever read a fairy tale. 3. What do you know about fairy tales? Answer: Fairy tale is one of the folklore that is quite diverse in scope. Fairy tales usually comes from various ethnic groups, communities, or certain regions in various parts of the world. I often found a story that tell about fairies, princesses, dragons, elves, and others in a fairy tale. 4. What kind of fairy tale do you like best? Why? Answer: I like fairy tale that the story is in the kingdom with a lot of beautiful princesses. Because there are many lessons that I can learn from reading those fairy tale. 5. Have you ever read a story about a princess? Answer: Yes, I have ever read a story about a princess. 6. Are you familiar with a story titled The Goose Girl? Answer: No, I'm not familiar. 7. What do you think this story is going to be about? Mention some words you expect to find in it. Answer: It is about a girl that can converse with animal, especially goose. Gift: a natural ability or talent. Alienate: to be withdrawn or detached from one's society. Confronted: faced up to and dealt with. Identity: the fact of being who or what a person or thing is. Convinced: caused someone to believe firmly or persuade someone to do something.
Disclaimer: jawaban di atas hanya digunakan untuk memandu proses belajar anak. Soal ini berupa pertanyaan terbuka, yang artinya ada beberapa jawaban tidak terpaku seperti di atas.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.